Welcome back. We're right where we left off. Now for this tutorial, I want to talk about two things specifically. I want to talk about white spaces and comments. Now, in this environment, white spaces do not affect anything. I could do this, I could hit enter 300 times here, 400 times. It's not going to affect the code. So white spaces is really just there for your ease of read. Look, I could move this, back here if I wanted, like this. But it's going to make it more difficult for me to read. So the white spaces don't affect code at all. They're ignored. Sorry, they're ignored by the compiler. And if you don't know, a compiler is the program that basically turns all of this into ones and zeros, turns it into what the computer speaks. So you type in a programming language, in this case C#, and a compiler converts that into a computer language, ones and zeros. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is comments real quick. So a comment is something that is not code. And you'll hear people say, comment that out. So this is what commenting something out looks like. Just two little forward slashes, just like that. And anything I type here, I can type, this is a comment. That's probably spelled wrong. I can type whatever I want here. It does not matter what I type here. It's just a comment. So we could type this program counts beans or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's the compiler completely skips comments. So you can type whatever you want there. The compiler is not going to be affected by it. It's just so you can put notes on your program. Now, the other thing is the backslash, like I just did, is going to comment out this entire line, and that line basically goes forever in that direction if you wanted to. But it'll comment that entire line. Let's say you want to comment out more than one line. Well, you come down here and you use this little number sign backslash. Now, everything in between this area is considered a comment, just like that. Everything in between this and this is considered comments. So let's get rid of all this nonsense. So clean it up. Now you know what comments are. Also, if you'll notice when I'm typing, let's say I type con, and then it comes up with this list of words. This list of words, this is called the IntelliSense, and it is amazing. So I recommend getting used to using it. But basically, if you hit enter, it'll finish it for you. So sometimes it'll really speed up your typing. So right, and you can see right. I hit this L, right line, and then you can see it. It kind of finished the words for me. So get used to the IntelliSense. It's really nice. Also, I think let's see, if I hold down Control, I can see what's behind it. So that's kind of useful to know as well. So now you know comments, and white spaces aren't picked up by the compiler. You know what a compiler is. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to move on to the next video. Thank you.